there is a quiet place within you that you may have forgotten. Not because you did anything wrong, but because life is loud. Dreams pull us forward, memories pull us back, and somewhere in the middle, the simple feeling of being oneself becomes dim, like a lamp behind a curtain. This book is a journey to lift that curtain. Closer to the Self is not a philosophy book and is not a self help method. It is a gentle companion for the moments when your mind feels heavy, when clarity fades, when the heart feels restless and uncertain. It does not tell you what to believe, it reminds you what you already know deep inside. The book begins where all human journeys begin, in the fog of confusion. It shows how the mind becomes cloudy, how emotions swirl, how memories color our world without asking. It then guides you inward, into the mirror of the mind, into the orchestra of thoughts and impressions that create your inner weather. As you see this clearly, something in you loosens. You begin to breathe again. From the personal, the journey opens into the vast. The sages invite us to look at the universe itself, to see that the same patterns that move within the mind also shape the stars, the seasons, the very fabric of reality. You begin to sense that your life is not an isolated story, but part of a much larger rhythm. The fear of separation softens, wonder returns. Then the book enters the heart of action. Why do our lives unfold the way they do? Why do some moments lift us and others exhaust us? Here, you discover the echo of your own choices, the subtle architecture of action and consequence that the sages called karma, not as judgment, but as a compassionate map of how energy moves through life. From there, the path becomes brighter. The teachings of clarity, of devotion, of self inquiry, of stillness, of the inner witness are shown not as spiritual ideals, but as living tools you can use every day. You'd learn that yoga is not only on a mat, that devotion is not only in a temple, that meditations is not only in silence. These are ways of seeing, ways of living, ways of remembering who you truly are. As the chapters unfold, you begin to notice something subtle. The world is the same. Your responsibilities are the same. But the one living this life is changing. Your reactions soften, your attention deepens, your presence becomes quieter and more powerful at the same time. You begin to live not from worry or habit, but from a deeper center. Closer to the self does not promise that life will become perfect. It promises something far more real, that you can live with clarity in the middle of imperfection, that you can feel whole even on unfinished days, that peace is not somewhere far away. It is the fragrance of your own awareness when the fog begins to clear. This book is an invitation, a slow return, a remembering, not of something new, but of the self that has been with you since the beginning, quiet, present, unbroken. Welcome to the journey.